Well, I'm pleased with this. It's a rose cutting that I took last year. I can't remember what rose I cut it off now, but I'm sure when it flowers I'll remember. And strawberries, that's always good. But I thought I'd just come and take a look. This is one of those I planted, someone else has watered, but it's God that gives the increase. Look at these strawberry plants, they're growing like trees amongst the raspberries, which are going to flower soon and bear fruit. And we come along now, I don't know much about apple trees, so I just planted this one. It's these trees are sold as patio trees. They're sold in do-it-yourself shops and such likes, and it was given to me nearly dead, and anyway I planted it, and we can see that it's actually doing rather well, and I'm rather hoping that Ken is going to tell me what to do with it. If we look at this branch here, now Ken often talks about a nurse limb, but look at it. This limb sticking out here is so heavily loaded with fruit. What I'm going to do with this is I'm going to fan train it and give it some support, because that whole tree is rather lopsided, isn't it? And then we come round and, oh, this one's not doing so well. That's, I forget what this is. Oh, that's a pear tree. It's not really doing that well. It's probably planted in the wrong place, but there's another strawberry doing rather remarkably well. But it's all got away, this garden. All got away a bit. It's the combination of warm weather and lots of rain. Cherries. But the real joy, gooseberries. I do love a gooseberry. There's more gooseberries in this garden than you can shake a stick at. Red currants and black currants. Yeah, sort of pleased with this garden. It's got a bit away from me, but well, Saturday's another day.